Genesys has been developed in .NET using the C# application. At the heart of the system's architecture are the separated engines, connected together using monitoring and messaging services. The Genesys front end, sometimes referred to as a graphical user interface, is one of the engines. It's independent to the rest of the system, so it can reside on a PC to carry out control functions or as a main load-carrying PC with driver control. The benefit of this? Increased system stability and ease of expansion. What makes Genesys truly unique is that individual driver instances are set up for each system connected within the Genesys driver service. Driver separation allows for the load of all the drivers running to be spread across the system, enabling large numbers of drivers to be connected. The GDS monitors each driver instance. If they become unstable or fail due to poor third-party software such as SDKs, the GDS can close down the individual driver to ensure it doesn't cause a problem to any other part of the system, at the same time as generating an alarm event. The absolute genius of the GDS is that individual drivers can be migrated easily to other computers in the event of a PC or network failure. By employing a separate engine for drivers, it's possible to run these drivers on dedicated PCs or on servers if a client prefers this network architecture. Connected devices can change state, some simply from off to on, or others having multiple states, for example, tamper, fault, door open, insecure, pre-alarm, etc. The Genesys state engine receives these states and sends a message to update the icon shown within the GFE, providing near real-time status of all devices. This engine also monitors the status of the Genesys computers on the network, what alarms have been acknowledged, and how many actions on the alarm task list have been completed. This keeps all of the Genesys computers up to date, and if a PC failure or engine fault should occur, then the other users are aware that a user is offline. All messages are sent via the Genesys messaging service between the Genesys engines and services using secure socket layer cryptographic protocol. The GMTS, Genesys Migrating Technology Service, details the driver migration, and all actions on the system are stored within a SQL Server database. When communicating between computers across a network, Genesys employs 256-bit Advanced Encryption Service (AES), which is sufficient to protect information up to top secret level. Because of its pioneering system architecture, Genesys is not restricted in size or capability of a server. It saves clients large sums of money by eliminating the need to move to server farms and clustering software. It adds high levels of automatic configurable redundancy and power, and vitally, it ensures continued connectivity to all systems at all times. Genesys is an outstanding, much-needed breakthrough in security management technology.